guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick unboxing video of a subscription service that is targeted to children or toddlers ages 1 to 3. No, don't grab it. Oh, I found your toy. I know what you want. Can you sit here and I'll give you what you want? Look, sit here. I'll give you Lovey. Hi, Lovey. Yeah. I want to show you something. So, this company, Playkids Explore, reached out and asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing video. Sorry guys, I really wanted to get her in this video since it is like something for her. It says Amar in outer space, and it has like a little character that's supposed to look like your child. She's already taken the book and run. Do you like that book? You want to see what else there is? It says Amar in outer space. Yeah. Sorry guys, we're in the process of moving, so there's like a lot of stuff that is usually hung up that we have on the floor. There is also a little passport, and this passport also is supposed to, you can add a photo, you can put all the information of the child, the destination. So this passport every month will go along with whatever activity. And like we said, this month's subscription is outer space. So all of it goes together. It's all interactive. There is also an app. You can write in here like where the kid is going, and I believe every month is a different theme. There's also magic cards, contains special 3D cards that interact with your Playkids app. So these cards go along with the app. 13 months, almost 14 months, so a lot of things just go in her mouth right now, but I definitely think that a subscription service like this in a couple of months, or definitely for a 2 or 3 year old, is perfect. And just like new ways to teach kids things, because it can get kind of repetitive doing the same things over and over. So yes, these are the little cards that it comes with. And there's a super guide. So this just kind of takes you through that month's adventure. And this looks really cute and fun. And then there's also some stickers. So we can have her put these stickers in the passport. And also there is this, which I saw in another unboxing video, that I think makes like a little, what is that word? Like a little mobile, where you can just take these cutouts off and attach them to the little outer space, and then you can just have it like as a little toy. So I think all of these things are really fun, very creative for small kids and toddlers. Be sure to check them out. I will have them linked down below in the description box if you are interested. Oh no, don't eat it. That's your book. That's your book. You're not supposed to eat it. Cards. These are yours. Cards. Yeah, she's more into the book. What about stickers? Stickers. Yeah, stickers. Thank you. Do you want to put the stickers here? No? how you can put the stickers. Look, sticker. Omar, look. Look, Omar. Look, sticker. Sticky sticker. Ooh. Sticker. You're gonna go to outer space. Here. What's this? Some more stickers? Here, look, sticker. Yeah, you put it on here. Yeah, you put it here. Ooh. So before this, you saw the unboxing part, which was the Playkids Explorer, and now we're just gonna do a little bit of a vlog and like a catch up. So today is May 18th, and it's been a while since I've vlogged and since I have posted something on my channel. I talked about this a little bit, I think, in the unboxing part, but we are in the process of moving. We've just had our work cut out for us between my husband's schedule and me like ending a semester at school and starting a new semester, and like little things we wanted to try to get done there while we're still here, so we didn't have to do them while we moved in. But I am pretty sure we will be all moved out and into the new house this weekend. We've started moving small things, and like the kitchen. I thought I saw my dad. The kitchen and like small boxes, and we moved all the things out of the closets. So it seems like so much more work. Like when you think of it, you're like, oh, there's not a lot of stuff to move. But once you start moving and you start packing and you take what you feel like was so much, and then you go home and your home still looks completely full. So that's what we're going through right now. We are heading downtown to visit with my husband at work. We're probably going to grab some lunch. Me and the baby. Yes, me and you. You guys can probably see her there. There's a hanger. See, we're moving random stuff in my car. So we're going to grab some lunch. Mama. Let me see. Hello. Hello. Mother. Do you want your water? Okay, have your water. Hi. We got a visitor.
No, sit down. Sit down. You're trying to get out of it. Sit down. Batata. Say batata. Betty batata. Mine?
What happens when you take her out of the high chair? I told him not to take her out. So I just got the special, which is the asparagus and tofu fried rice. It's really good. And she just got grilled cheese and french fries.
Customer waiting area. We can provide an even better experience than ever before. And we're still going to treat you like family. The situation can only be resolved by a paternity test. And the DNA results reveal.
Macy's Memorial Day sale with Supervise on furniture and rugs. Get the Ryder sectional for $1,999. The Tribeca.
Sorry, the roads are kind of bumpy here. I just got my Earl Grey and we are on our way home, so I'll probably end the vlog here in the car because once I get home I'm gonna get my makeup off and get changed. Hopefully I got enough footage to make a decent little vlog, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy vlogs from me, and also let me know what other videos you would like to see on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!